During the years of independence, small and large manufacturing enterprises have been established by domestic entrepreneurs with the support of the state and the government of Tajikistan, and the dependence on imported products has been reduced as much as possible. In order to prevent the spread of infectious diseases, sewing workshops in the country for 2 months of this year could make enough medical face masks and small manufacturing and special medical protective gowns on the basis of consumer orders. Each produced at least 5,000 to 6,000 medical face masks per day. For example, the Sifa Sanoat sewing factory located in Dushanbe currently produces more than 6,000 high-quality medical masks that meet current standards. More than 40 sewing machines have been installed at this enterprise, and 50 local women have been provided with permanent jobs. Clothes joint stock company Gulistan has taken a similar initiative, and after this use 7,000 high-quality medical masks and various military uniforms ordered by the relevant organizations and agencies in accordance with the current standards. The company employs about 200 housewives and is engaged in work every day with a high spirit of patriotism. The main goal of the government of Tajikistan is to establish industrial enterprises around the country, first of all reducing imports, providing the population with domestic products, and thus creating new jobs.